In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see other people's TikTok analytics. You're going to be able to see how many followers they've got, how many views per month they get, and other additional statistics that you wouldn't be able to see on the TikTok app. So I thought I'd make a quick video, so let's jump into it. So to look at analytics, what we need to do is go to a website called Social Blade. Now you can access this on your phone or on the computer, and you want to change this here to TikTok. Now this is currently in beta, but this is going to give you TikTok analytics for any TikTok user. So if I go and type in Logan Paul here, we're going to get Logan Paul's TikTok profile come up. Now this is in beta, and the amount of statistics that are going to be displayed here are going to increase over time. They are in beta right now, so there isn't that many statistics, but you can see how many uploads they've done, how many followers they've got, how many people they're following, their likes, interactions, how many followers they've gained in the last 30 days, how many views they've got in the last 30 days, and how many they've uploaded. And then you can also see their follower gain and the likes and views down here in a daily graph. Now what I assume Social Blade are going to do is they're going to make it so it's like YouTube statistics. So if I come to my page now on YouTube, you can see if we scroll down, there's like a graph as well. And there's just more statistics overall for YouTube. So I guess because it's in beta right now, there isn't that many statistics, but over time there's going to be a lot more stats and a lot more ways to visualize people's analytics. So if that video helped you out, please do leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.